Hi people, welcome to the viewpoint. Remember this, right? But this is what I want to say. It's from Travis Brandsology and with the courtesy of Yes Academy. I've been covering a lot of videos, right? But today I want to focus on a business model for the service sector, because the service sector is going to be at large. It's going to be very popular soon after the pandemic is over. You all have a lot of work to do, right? So let me show you, right, what the service sector is going to have, right? So I will use my board. I will use this board, right? Okay, here we go. This is on one end and this is the other end. So this is another model which I coined very recently for Travis Brandsology. This is a new finding which I coined, copyright reserved. So customer service on one end, and here customer expectation, right? So customer service and customer expectation. So I'm going to break this into three. Now this can cut across to any business. This can cut across to any business circle, any business format, right? It can be anything with regards to the service sector. FMCG also can use this if you feel that this model is good. Okay, this is customer service high, medium and low. Customer expectation high, right, and medium and low. Okay, so I'm going to start the medium format, right? Customer service is medium, but customer expectation is very high, right? So then you have to upgrade your service, ASAP, right? Customer service is medium, customer expectation is medium too. Again, upgrade your service, right? Then customer expectation is low, but you're maintaining a medium level of customer service. Then what you have to do is you have to create customer expectation. Understand? You have to create customer expectation because their expectation is low, but you're giving a better service, so you increase their expectation, right? Okay, come to the lower level. Customer service is low, expectation is high. You're in a hotspot. They come to your service thinking that it's high, but your service is low. So you're in a hotspot. You need to do something to increase your service, right? Customer expectation is at a very medium level, but your service is low, right? Then you will lose the customer. This model also can go into a bank as well because it's on the service sector. Customer expectation is low and your service is also low, then don't run this business. Don't run this business. It's no point. Okay. Now let's move into the highest level. Customer service is high, right? Expectation is medium, right? I'm skipping this for a reason. Expectation is medium. Need to work hard to increase expectation. You need to work hard. You need to work very hard. Work hard to increase expectation or meet the increased expectation. Customer expectation is low, but your service is extremely high. Then you have to balance the customer because you might be overdoing it. So let's look at the right particular model. Service is high, expectation is also high. You need to meet the expectation of the customer spot on. Meet the need spot on. Okay, so that's my business model for the service sector, right? Whereas customer service and customer expectation on two sides, right? So this is another model from Travis Brandsology where you can use it, you can see how it out and how it goes, and please tell me, right? And again, solution oriented business model is my forte. Solution oriented practical brand management, marketing management, sales management is my forte. That is what ES Academy is for, right? See you again with another fantastic business model. Thank you.